Hello, dear students. I'm Ansi Patel from Samarpan Gyan School. This is class 1, our lesson number 3, subtraction. Here is a part 2, students, of subtraction. This is the method of subtraction. Now you already know that what is subtraction, right? So it is one kind of method. Like in addition, what we do, forward counting. So it is just opposite to it, count back to subtract. Here you have to do backward counting. Let's see what happened. 7 minus 3. Okay, students, 7 minus 3. So 7 here and 3. So you have to subtract 3 from 7. So 3 from 7, for that you have to write in this cloud 7. From 7 you have to count back. Like how to do back counting? If suppose it is 10, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So it is backward counting. Okay, so suppose it is not suppose it is 7 and you have to subtract 3 from 7. So how will you do? 7 is already here, so what you will write? 6, 5, 4. Okay, student, so what is your last number? Your last number is 4. So your answer is 4. It is called backward counting. You have to count back from the given number to subtract. Start with the bigger number, that is 7. Count back 3 numbers, because here it is 3, so you have to count back only 3 numbers and you will reach to 4. Let's take one more example. 8 minus 4. So you have to write 8 over here. Okay, from 8 you have to count 4 backward. So 7, 6, 5, 4. Which number you reach? 4. So that number is your answer. So 4 is your answer. Okay, let's take one more example. 9 minus 5. So you have to subtract 5 from 9. 9 is a bigger number, so you have to write here 9, and then you have to count backward. So it is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So your answer is 4. Let's take a last example. Please be careful in backward counting, students. You can see here number 3. So you have to write number 3 here because it is the bigger number only. So bigger number you have to write in a cloud. So yes, it is 3. Count backward to 1. So which number you reached? 1. So 1 is your answer. Understood, students? See, let's see one more time. 7 minus 3. So you have to subtract 3 from 7 number. So 7 number you write in this cloud, and from 7 you have to count back. So it is 6, 5, 4. Why 3 space only? Because 3 you have to subtract, no? So only 3 space will be there, and you reached from that, it is 4 number. So 4 is your answer only. 8 minus 4. So your bigger number is 8 and you have to count back 4 step. So first step is 7, 6, 5, 4. Fourth step your is 4. So your 4 is the answer. 9 minus 4. So you have to subtract 5 from given number 9. So 9 is a bigger number, you have to write in a cloud, and from that you have to count, subtract, forward backward counting, that is 8. You have to write here step 5 है तो 1 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seats are there. You have to fill all the seats. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 4 is your last number, and that is why 4 is your answer. 3 minus 2, it is very easy. You have to write 3 over here. Minus 2 seats are there, 1 and 2. So you have to fill both the seats. So 3 to backward count. So 2 and 1. 1 is your answer. I hope you understand, students. Okay, you have to do exercise on page number 55, textbook page number 55. Okay, so please solve that exercise from this information. Count back to subtract. Okay, thank you.